Hello. Nowadays, English has become a main language. English used almost all countries, so learning English is an important assignment, especially students. But how to learn English well is a question which most of students notice. We should learn English by ourselves. We can do grammar exercise in grammar book. Write English as much as possible. It makes us deliver our knowledge and improve our writing skill. We can watch English on TV, learn to sing English songs, read short stories or newspaper in English, listen to the program on the radio and English tapes. It makes us improve our listening and skiing. We should use a dictionary for reading. It makes us a save up new words. That's all. Thank you.